Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach you how to delete a random item from dictionary items. Let's go ahead and import, because we're going to use random, so import random, and let's go ahead and say that x is equal to this element of 1, 2, then 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so now if we have that, let's go ahead and print out that on console and go ahead and print out x. So now we have x. Let's go ahead and say that keys is equal to list, and passing the value of keys right in there, and then we go ahead. This is x dot keys. Okay, this x dot keys, and then let's go ahead and say del underscore keys. Del underscore keys is equal to random dot choice. Random dot choice, and passing the value of keys right in there, and then we go ahead and call del. Del is used to delete, and it's going to delete x of del underscore keys. All right, so let's go ahead and print out the result, and the result is x. So when x is printed, the original x we printed using this, and the deleted elements of x we printed using this. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So can you see that it was able to delete one, the first one right here? Let's go ahead and run the code again. It was able to delete 4. Can you see that? 4 was deleted. This guy was deleted. Now if I run this code, let's check it out one more time, and this deleted 1 is not there. So in that way you can delete any one of your choice. That is how it does. Okay, and if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.